Here I'm thought I'd show you an aspect of this right here. This right here is a piece of board that goes underneath the trailer. The side of the trailer's here, and it goes the round part underneath. And then the belly pan, there's a 2x2 that goes in here, or it's a 1x2 really. It goes in here, and the belly pan comes up over here and attaches here, and then there's a shroud that goes underneath that comes up, and then the side of the trailer comes up right here. And these are little pieces of wood that are on the little outriggers that stick off on the side of the frame. And there's 8 of these that go on the side, and then there's shorter ones that go in the front. There's 6 in the front, and then there's 6 in the back. And these were rotten, and they were made out of see, they were made out of just old regular old pine wood. See, but I'm replacing them with pressure treated wood. See, and I'm cutting them out on the bandsaw. See, I'm replacing them here. See, I'm cutting them out. My bandsaw was broke, and so what I did here, let me show you what I did here. There's my bandsaw table. It was broke. There's a piece on there that causes it to do this, the 2 pieces, and I can't order them because they don't make them no more. So I did this right here. I bolted a wooden table on it right here, and it's working out pretty good. So that's what I'm doing today, all part of the Holiday Rambler repair, and that's what I'm doing. Every aspect of this trailer here needs to be replaced or repaired, and so that's what I'm doing. So today, because I'm trying to get to a place where I can put my gray tank in. The weather's supposed to be pretty good. It's supposed to rain tomorrow a little bit, but after that we got some sunny days. So right now I'm wiring a house down in Harriman, and trying to do that. I might be hurrying with my legs, trying to heal, but it's for a little extra money to put in the trailer. But until then, this Sunday afternoon, I thought I'd just go ahead and cut these out right here. Try my wood. Oh, listen, let me tell you. When you go under this restoring of a travel trailer, you've got to learn to be a woodworker, a sheet metal worker, electrician, a plumber, every aspect there is. Listen, this is really giving me a learning curve here, and every aspect of building, it really is. How to work steel, aluminum, wood, paneling, just everything. And I'm having a good time doing it, but it's tedious. Sometimes it seems a little overwhelming. I'm always drawing or trying to figure out the easiest and proper way to do this. But I'm replacing this wood because it needs to be replaced. And I got a couple here that were pretty good shape, but they're not pressure treated. So I'm trying to make a little bit of better improvements on it as I'm building. I know the pressure treat will probably make it a little heavier, but hey, if it'll make it better and make it work, that's fine. That's what I'm going to try to do. So let me turn you around here. The lighting's a little off right here. Yeah. So let me try to get these cut right here. I'm not, by all means, a professional at this. Well, thanks again for stopping in at Bromark Farms. I hope that you'll stay with me as I work on this and put this together. As always, read your Bible every day and be sensitive to that spirit. And come on by, either through YouTube or Harvest Toast or boondockersluck.com, and watch the progress of this restoration of this 1969 Holiday Rambler travel trailer. Thank you so much. We love you. See you in the next video.